Hi, let's see a step-by-step guide in setup Elasticsearch in Windows 10. So before going that, Elasticsearch is actually a highly scalable open source full text and analytics engine. It allows you to store, search and analyze big volumes of data quickly and in near real time. It is generally used as an underlying engine or technology that powers other applications which may have complex search features and other requirements. So to download this, you have to use the elastic.co latest site. You may check for the latest one, or if you have any version specific, download that zip file into your local system. Once the downloading is success, you can extract the zip file into any of your folder. So after that, the folder will be having this structure. It will be having a bin, config, data, lib, logs, modules, plugin, apart from license, notice and readme files. Now edit this elasticsearch.yml file in the config folder. You can set path.data and path.logs to that specific to yours. Save the file. Now go to the command prompt and use the file elasticsearch.bat from the bin folder. If you see, it will be getting up in a few minutes. If it is success, you can use localhost 9200 in your browser, which is the default port. You can see something specific to this. Also, you can curl the result. If in some case you may be getting like common was unexpected in this time, then it may be a problem with your Java home variable. You may add the Java home variable by setting to your default JDK location in the elasticsearch.bat before executing it. This will actually fix the problem. Thank you.